Hello and welcome to eStyle Property Channel. Today we are in a beautiful area of Ciudad Quesada. My name is Roman and I'm going to show you today 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom quad house, literally 2 minutes away from this beautiful golf course. The house is located in a very quiet residential area. Restaurants, bars and all amenities is only 3 minutes away by walk. House has 2 separate entrances with 1 self-contained apartment and a main house, which is ideal for hosting guests, friends or family, or even for investment opportunities. House has panoramic views to these beautiful mountains and a golf course. Every single window and terrace has got this beautiful and amazing view. This is the entrance of our house, and the first thing I'd like to show you is this amazing view. On the ground level we have self-contained apartment with 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom and kitchen. This is the lounge of the ground floor apartment with storage area on my left hand side and rest area. Also on the ground floor we have double bedroom with glossy ceiling and LED lights. On the same level we have guest kitchen with breakfast bar, this amazing view and lots of natural light. And a guest bathroom, beautifully decorated, tiled throughout with the shower and 2 sinks. And here we have a storage unit with a minibar. And now let me show you the main house. The main terrace features dining table, lounge area and awnings. We enter spacious open plan living room with enough space for soft furniture and dining table. And here we have modern fully fitted kitchen with high quality appliances and enough prep space. And on my right hand we have a storage room with boiler and washing machine and plenty of storage space. On the same level we have family bathroom with walk-in shower, sink and beautiful lights. Next to the bathroom we have a storage unit. Also on this level we have double bedroom with double glazed windows and large built-in wardrobe. Let's go to the next level. largest bedroom upstairs with air conditioning unit, double glazed window with an amazing view, double fitted wardrobe and the entrance to the private terrace. And this amazing terrace with sunbeds and absolutely amazing view. This house comes with this beautiful communal swimming pool. Today I showed you 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom quad house in a beautiful area of Ciudad Quesada. It is available now for 265,000 euros. If you like this video, give us a like, subscribe to our channel, and see you next time.